Before I start searching Westlaw, I'm just going to show you the advantage of using the browse features. The topic pages are a really good way of finding the relevant content, and Westlaw takes that work out of you doing searches by organizing the content under subject headings. So if, for example, I go to data and communications, you'll see that the topic page brings together all the relevant information. You can see here the information is updated every day. We've also got the key legislation and the key journals that are available in Westlaw that cover this topic. You might want to decide to drill down further into a narrower topic. So, for example, under information technology, you'll see that the information again becomes more specific. You've got the overview article, which is very good for providing the overview. It also identifies key legislation, cases, and other information. But also on this page, Westlaw then will list and highlight to you recent cases, recent legislation, and recent journal articles. And you can expand these lists by just clicking View All. So the browse feature in Westlaw is really helpful for helping you define what subject words and subject terms you might want to use for your searching, because you can see the hierarchy of topics that they've used in organizing the information. Now, if I go to journal search, I'll just show you where you can find the terms and connectors. So on every search page, you've got a link here to find them, and that's where you can combine your search terms in the free text box. But using the subject keyword search is, again, another way to be more specific. So, for example, if I want to search for cybersecurity, I start typing the word and choose it from here. So cybersecurity is one of the search terms that Westlaw has used as an index term in their thesaurus. And these are all the articles that have got cybersecurity as a subject term. If I just expand the results to more detail, you can see these are the other keywords that have been used. And you can then filter your results further by topic, for example, date, jurisdiction. You might also want to limit it to those that are available just full text in the database, or this is useful, case comment or legislative comment. These are journal articles that make a comment either on the legislation or the case law. So that can be useful where you need to draw in examples of those. So you just choose from those and then click apply.